Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best air cleaner machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Levoit Air Purifier for home. Smokers, pets, air pollution and more can make your home a dangerous battlefield for your lungs and overall health. This quiet air purifier uses a HEPA filtering system to make sure those elements do not ruin your home atmosphere. In addition to the 3-stage filtering system installed in this air cleaning machine, you get a silent motor that lets you sleep at night. It produces only 25 decibels while working. The powerful motor cleans your room's air 4 times over an hour of operation. On top of that, you can use the 2-level built-in night light to see your way through the room when you can't sleep. Just make sure to change the filter every 6 to 8 months to get the best results possible. Also, use only official Levoit replacement parts to keep your new air cleaning machine running at peak performance. Moving on at number 4, we have the Levoit Air Purifier for home large room. Large rooms need those air cleaning machines that are rated for their huge square footage capacity. This air purifier is designed to work in large rooms measuring up to about 400 square feet in size. Once you turn it on, you will have the room cleaned of impure air 4 to 5 times in an hour. That is good news for your allergy sufferers. The easy-to-use air purifier comes with the control panel located on top of the machine. Just press a button and you will get the settings you want. Also, the digital display reminds you of those settings, including your timer countdown. 3 fan speeds and a quiet motor allow you to enjoy cleaner air faster without missing a word from your favorite television program. At number 3, we have the Germ Guardian True HEPA Filter Air Purifier. Guard your house against nasty germs that seek to infect your family and ruin their healthy lifestyles. This air purifier uses a 3-in-1 HEPA filtering system that cleans out almost 100% of the germs and bacteria that find their way inside your room. Plus, an antimicrobial ingredient is added to this air cleaning machine to stop mold, mildew and possibly pet odors from taking hold in the room. Its UVC light zaps those airborne germs so they are not harmful to you or your family. All the controls you need to set the fan speed, mode and other features are located on the top of the air purifier. The easy-to-use control panel even has an indicator light to tell you when it is time to change the filter. 5 speed settings, an 8-hour timer and ultra-quiet mode make sure you get complete coverage without losing any sleep. At number 2, we have the KOIOS Air Purifier. Eliminate germs, bacteria, cigar and pet odor at the touch of a button. The one button on the top seems to operate all the features included in this air cleaning machine. Then with the HEPA air filter system inside, you should lose about 99% of all contaminants. In addition to that, this easy-to-use air purifier uses a 360-degree intake system to make sure your air is purified quickly and evenly. The 3-stage filtering system does it all for you. On top of that, the one button employs both air fan speeds. You just push it till you get the setting you want. Once on, the quiet motor works while letting you get your rest. This unit uses only about 2 watts of power and can plug into a standard 100 outlet with ease. A night light is included to help children sleep or you walk around the room. And finally at number 1, we have the Renfo Air Purifier for home large room. Get your large room's air purified and clean promptly. Once you plug it in and turn it on, this air cleaning machine sets out to clean a 360 square foot room or smaller right away. With its Smart Zone technology, it makes automatic adjustments after sensing the air quality in the room. You can just set it and forget about it. This machine handles almost all duties for you. Sleep mode and an automatic timer ensures that you can get sleep and save energy at the same time. All the buttons to select your settings are at the top of this air purifier. A filter indicator reminds you when it is time to change or clean the filter. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.